Test one website and you will earn over $300. Install and test another app and you will earn over $500. You can easily earn over $6 per app you test on any device, whether it be a smartphone, computer, laptop, or tablet. So, like this video and let's start with the first testing website on our list called User Testing. User Testing is one of the best get-paid-to-test websites and apps out there. Today I will be showing you the 5 get-paid-to-test websites and apps, starting from the least paying ones to the highest paying ones as we move further in the video, so that if some of them are not available in your country, you can use others to make money online. For our future videos, comment down below your country name, along with the device you use, so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now the last testing website is... I want you to click on the Get Paid to Test right here, and that's going to show you this page where you can just enter your email in this box and start the registration process by pressing the Get Started button. But before that, I would like to show you how it actually works. So first, you submit your email and take a quick practice test so that they can match you with the perfect testing project for you. Next, you answer some screening questions to match you with the right earning opportunities for you. Once you get a project match for your profile, you start taking the test by using the website, app, or software and sharing your perspective, experience, and feedback about that project. And boom, you will get paid for taking those tests once your test is approved by the project owners. You just need to share your honest feedback or experience about the project, and you will get paid for using those websites and apps and sharing your feedback with them. Now, the good thing is that the websites I will be showing you today pay you through PayPal, Payeer, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., or directly into your bank account, which is really awesome. Now you can see that on User Testing, you can get paid to take surveys, for taking recorded tests where you share your opinions in the form of audio or video recording, or you can get paid for taking live conversations. And this option pays you the most amount of money. Now if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see the device specifications that you need for different devices like Windows if you use a laptop or computer, Mac, Android, and iOS configurations for taking tests. So just register yourself, start testing different websites and apps, and get paid for testing them. Now before we move further, I would like to introduce the sponsors of this video, Pork Bun. I will leave a link to Pork Bun and my special $1 discount promo code in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Pork Bun is a refreshingly different domain name registrar that's different from other ones like GoDaddy or Namecheap. It has a 4.8 star rating on Trustpilot from over 12,000 real users around the world and was named the #1 domain registrar by USA Today for 2023 and 2024. So Pork Bun is an amazing registrar that allows you to purchase a domain name of your choice. If you're someone who loves new tech, check out their AI-generated search tool using ChatGPT that is changing how people search for domain names. Now, to get yourself a domain name, just click on the products and select the domains option. From there, that's going to take you to this page where you can search for a domain name. So, for example, if I search for Cashproit in this box and press enter, that's going to show me different domain names that are available. Pork Bun has got the lowest prices on hundreds of different domain extensions, so you can create a website, blog, online portfolio, or anything you want to show off what you do. They've got everything from the usual .com domains to awesome ones like .pro, .xyz, and .dev. Now if you want, you can also search with the extension that you want for your domain name. For example, I can search for cashproit.com, and it will show me the fee for the domain, which as you can see will be only $10.37 per year. And the good thing is, they don't hide the renewal fee from you. You can clearly see under all domain names here the fee at which a particular domain name will be renewed, such as this domain name Cashproit. .com will be renewed at $10.30. Not only that, every domain name at Pork Bun comes with tons of freebies like SSL certificates, WHOIS privacy, DNS management, URL forwarding, and more. Because why pay for things that should be free? They've also got free trials for their link in bio tool that makes it easy to keep links to all your platforms in one place. Plus, web and email hosting trials. And all of these incredible features and tools are backed by incredible support, 365 days a year. Now to buy a domain, you just have to click on this plus icon over here, and the domain name will be added to your cart. Then just click on the checkout, and you will be shown the domain names you selected. Now, here you can select the number of years to buy your domain name for, and you can also add on an additional email address for just $24 a year, and additional web hosting for as low as $2.50 per month. And here on Apply Coupon, you can apply my coupon mentioned in the description of this video, that is CashPro24, to get $1 off your next desired domain name at Porkbun. After that, just click on Continue, create your account, and buy your domain from Porkbun. The Porkbun website is simple to use and easy to navigate. You can manage everything about your new domain from one place, and they don't do upsells like those other sites do, so you're not being pressured to pay for products you'll never use. Once again, I will leave a link to Porkbun and my promo code CashPro24 in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. The deal won't last long, so make sure to buy your domain name today. Now the second testing website on our list is called Testing Time. It is also completely free to sign up, and how many tests you will get access to will really depend on your profile, the country you live in, and other such factors. Now once you come over to Testing Time, I want you to click where it says Become a Tester, and that's going to take you to this page where you can sign up yourself by clicking this Sign Up Now button right here. Once you sign up, you will just have to answer some simple questions to set up your profile. After that, you will be shown the tests that match your profile. You can choose the date and time here according to your preferences, and once you complete the test, you will get paid within a few days after completing the test, or as soon as your test approves. Now these get paid to test websites won't make you rich or a millionaire, but it is some good side hustle to do. Make some extra $100 to $500 a month because you won't probably get a test every day for you to complete. You may get 2 tests, 3 tests, or sometimes 5 tests in a week if you are lucky, but you might not get a test every day, so just keep that in mind. Now let's move to our third testing website app called UTest. UTest is one of the largest get paid to test websites out there. They provide you with a lot of tests related to websites, apps, and different new and under development softwares. And the good thing is that UTest is available in almost all countries around the world, so you can be in the United States, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, South Africa, or any country around the world, and you can still make money with this website and app testing site. As you can see, you can earn money even for testing the brands you love, so you may get a chance to test Google products, Facebook projects, Uber, McDonald's, Starbucks, Tesla projects, and so on. And another good thing about UTest is that they provide you a free course training before providing you with the actual test. So it gives you proper guidance beforehand, which helps you to easily complete those testing projects. Now the fourth site on our list is Playtest Cloud. If you love to play games, this is the best site for you to install gaming apps, play them, and test them at the same time. You can even get paid for playing different interesting games they have on Playtest Cloud. They don't have a lot of games for you to play and test, but the ones they have are really interesting and fun games to play and earn money online. They usually pay around $9 for 15 minutes of testing a game, which is really great. So to start playing and testing these games, all you have to do is to click where it says Become a Tester, and that's going to take you to this page where you can answer some simple questions to register yourself. And once you register, you can start installing these games, and you can get paid for playing and testing different games here. Now, the fifth and highest paying testing site on our list is userinterviews.com. They have over 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot, so they are one of the best testing sites to share your opinion and get paid for that. As you can see, the average study on user interviews pays over $60, which is just awesome. So, once you log into your user interviews account, you can find different jobs to complete that match your profile. And the bonus tip is that you can filter these jobs by the highest paying jobs from this option. And that's going to show you some of the highest paying jobs right now for you. As you can see, this testing job interview will pay you $375 for just 60 minutes of testing an interview, which, if you calculate, becomes $6.25 per minute of rate. So just sign up yourself for user interviews and start to make money by testing different websites and apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.